one of the benefits we see in products like the Air Turbine Spindles is there are times when you need the higher RPM.
Yeah.
There's times when you just don't. So having the standard 8,000 RPM spindle allows you to do the standard cutting. And then when it comes time to do the fine finishing, the smaller detail work, it's nice to have that higher RPM.
It makes a lot of sense. I mean, people out there are using much smaller tools these days. You know, we're under 30 seconds sometimes for these little micro drills, these micro tools. So now it sounds like this partnership is going to allow your customers to get the best benefit of the both world. The rigidity and the horsepower and the torque that Hurco is known for, as well as the high RPM performance and the material rates and the small tool utilization from Air Turbine.
Yeah, that is correct. The ability to be able to load the tool through the spindle is huge. You can now set up that higher RPM spindle. You don't have to sit there and monitor it, and it's just allows it to be a seamless operation.
Yeah, and now, Jason, this is something I just recently learned. I keep getting corrected on this. I keep calling them speeders, but they're not speeders. So what do you think the advantage is having a pneumatically air-driven tool versus a standard mechanical speeder?
Well, one thing I like is, just the elimination of heat, no thermal growth.
Yeah.
That's just one less thing to worry about. Once you get up into the higher RPM, everything matters. So you have a very stable platform, and it's proven to be very reliable.
You can find out more at airturbinetools.com and contact us for a consultation to increase your production rate.